I'm so happy to be right here, right now, introduced to you Steak on the Stone. You imagine that all you need is a stone, a heat source, a steak, and your favorite seasoning. You need to heat the stone until really hot. And then you slice the steak. We preferred sliced steak. And then you just place it on top. And we add garlic, olive oil, a little bit more salt if needed, and pepper. We're allowed to cook until ready to our preferred taste. I just love the opportunity to sit around the table and share a meal with the people you love. Isn't it the most important thing? What do you think? One is done, and we bring another batch, and we serve with the greens and salad, French fries, or rice. And then we serve with love and bon appetit. So, this is the steak, really hot. Let's see. You see the fly?